After the Black Canyon of the Gunnison, we got back on the road. It was a scenic drive that quickly turned into a snowy one. Our next stop was the town of Buena Vista, which was the perfect place to visit in the snow. We headed to the Cottonwood Hot Springs Hotel, a few miles outside of town. You can pay to use the hot springs for the day, and they're also included in your stay if you book a room. Enjoying this?
Yes, this is awesome. And look, there's snow everywhere. So it's perfect. Just what you want.
We weren't expecting to experience winter in September, but it wasn't so bad out here. That was until we were convinced to take a polar plunge. Rachel's being really brave here. How is it? How was that? Is that great?
Painful!
Say no to peer pressure, kids. You end up doing crazy stuff like this. Woo. How was that polar plunge?
It was painful. Apparently it's good for me though.
After warming up, we headed into town for dinner and beers at Eddie Line Brewery. Tasty IPA, huh?
It's a very good IPA. Crank Anchor.
Well, it's too cold to camp, so good thing we have a hotel room with no heat. Slightly better than the tent still, guys. We enjoyed a late soak in the hot springs and called it a night. The next day, we headed back to town for breakfast at the Blend. What kind of coffee we got here?
So this is the bulletproof coffee. It has Americano, butter, and MTC oil, which is like a refined coconut oil.
Good stuff?
It's really good.
This burrito was good, but it was filling. Then it was back in the car for another scenic Colorado drive. When we heard about a ghost town nearby, we decided we had to check it out. St. Elmo is one of the best preserved ghost towns in the state. Back in the 1880s, this was a booming gold and silver mining town. It grew to around 2,000 residents, mostly male, and was full of saloons and dance halls. As the story goes, they rode the last train out of town and never came back. After a big group left, we basically had the place to ourselves. It's a pretty cool place to explore and a great spot for a little drone action. We decided to squeeze one more stop in as we headed to Pancha Springs for a round of disc golf. One good thing about 2020 was rediscovering this sport I love. I think I played more disc golf this year than I had since college. With the sun going down, we continued on to the town of Crestone.
Welcome to Nomad Pads Vacation Edition. We're here in Crestone, Colorado, where we're staying at the Now and Zen, a cool little house we found on Airbnb. I'm gonna show you around.
Let's check it out.
So over here we have the kitchen, a nice little sitting area, and then some nice Buddha decorations.
Love in Chinese, we love that.
Nice full kitchen.
They're gonna make like a back patio kind of thing probably, but it's kind of unfinished right now, right?
Seems like a work in progress.
Yeah, it's cool. This has been our tent for the weekend.
This is the living room. And then here's a nice little meditation room, looks like.
Meditation / yoga room. How Colorado?
Bathroom.
Watch out for that step. A little precarious.
This is the master bedroom
Wow, really nice.
with an unfinished balcony.
Well, hang
and a
on.
beautiful view.
Look at that view out the window. That's insane. What's the balcony look like?
It's an unfinished balcony, but looks like a nice spot for stargazing.
Oh yeah. Definitely just put some chairs out here and enjoy the views. Wow, and there's the second bedroom and the upstairs bathroom. It's a bathroom.
This is the guest bedroom. Well, the second bedroom, not the guest.
Second bedroom.
Everyone's a guest here.
Everyone's a guest here. And another
Finished balcony.
finished balcony, a little chair. Wow.
That chair is busted.
Okay, well look at
Need a
that
new
view.
chair. But look at that view.
About to whip up some thin rice noodles with some jalfrezi curry and some Moscow mules. Oh yeah. Well, Airbnb life. Sometimes you get a very small
Very
pan.
small pan, so you gotta upgrade to
Oh,
pot.
sometimes you're on fire.
Whoa, don't be on fire.
Jesus. It's lit, fam. Look at that. There we go. Oh, look at all that garlic. Death match for the last dumpling. How is it?
Pretty good.
We whipped up some more Moscow mules and enjoyed a chilled out evening at home. While driving to town, I noticed what looked like a Buddhist pagoda on the hill, so we went in for a closer look. Just enjoying a scenic hike here in Crestone, Colorado. Beautiful day, looks like a freaking postcard out here. It turns out there's a Buddhist meditation retreat center here as well. We enjoyed a brief moment of Zen here ourselves, in the middle of a busy Colorado road trip.